Password Keeper, Module 6, Add, Remove Row. So in this tutorial, I will show you 2 ways to add and remove row from account. And I am sure that you want to like this technique. Alright, so let's follow along and let's take a look. Alright, let's continue our Password Keeper. Let's go to Password Keeper. Right there. Make a copy of that last one. Control C, Control V. We're gonna rename that to number 6. Alright, let's go in there. Alright, so last time we were monkeying around with these guys right here. You see there? Ooh, yes. So that's good. So we'll select that. And let's see how it's not doing anything there. So what we want to do is we want to add row and make it display here. Alright. So let's attack that. That shouldn't take too much. We already have let's see, count. We already have functions to do that for us right here. Remember, we add functions right here. Get row, remove, add row, remove row. So that shouldn't take much. All right. So let's go in there. So what we want to do is here we want to, when we select this guy, we already implemented. Let me see right here. We already implemented this guy right in here. You see there? It turns the button remove row or add row, depending on if it exists or not. All right. And now we want to implement this clicking right here, add row, or this button. All right. So let's go to this event. Double click on that. Go into the procedure. All right. I'm going to move this booger all the way down to his neighbors, his cousin, right here. His cousin is right here. Where is it? Right there. He's his cousin. Right there. So what we want to do? We want to identify. See this right here. See, we want to identify. So we want to say if me CMD add row caption equals add row, then else and if. Oops, there. And all we have to do is here. All we have to do here is just to say account db add row, and then we just pass in the row. All right, or pass in the account and me ls row. Now if you do that, it defaults to this column 1, column 0 here. Okay, all right. But if you have more than one columns, you want to identify either each column, then you just put this guy. But I'm going to use a default right here. Oops, my bad. We have to make a call here because it's a subroutine. All right. So now I'm gonna copy this guy because it's essentially the same with different functions. There and here, I'm just gonna say remove. That's it. All right. Once we're done that, what do you want to do? Once we're done that, once we add, we want to do this. Copy. Yeah, once we add, we want to do this. Oops. Add. We want to change that guy to that. Or you could just come down here and say call list row name underscore click. All right. Either way, it will work. All right. So it's your preference. I'm just, you know what? That makes it easier because we got a function to do that for us. I'll just take that one out. But the other way would work as well. All right. Uh, hold on. Let's copy this guy. It didn't look like it's there. All right. So that should work. Let's take a look. Let's see what's going on here. Control S, close. Remember, you should always close. Let's click on that guy and click on this guy. Or yeah, let's click on that guy. Oh, I know why. I think I know why. I think last time I left the asterisk in there. Let's take a look. I bet you I left an asterisk in there. Add. What's the add? Oh, right here. Insert right here. I bet you. Yep. So just remove that asterisk. All right. Control S. Let's try again. Add. Why didn't it? Why didn't it display? Why didn't it display? Well, let's go to a design here. I want to make this form a non-model there. That way I can keep clicking. So did it add? Let's go to the let's go to this guy. Yes, it did. So, but why didn't it list? But why didn't it list right here? Right? Let's go into code here. Let's check out on the. Oh, I know why. Yeah, I know why it didn't list. My bad. I already know why. See, you gotta have your head a couple steps ahead of you. Right here, once you've done this guy, add remove right here, you gotta say call display account. Yeah, cause it never went back to display the items. It never went back to display this guy. You see there? So that's what it was. Now, yeah, that's that comes with I guess experience. I guess is that when you're doing certain things, your head is starting several steps ahead of you and start thinking the reason. So as I'm talking, my mind is still working. All right, let's try again. All right, click, bam, bam. There you go. See there? Let's add another one. Let's click that guy. Say add. Look, if I click this administrator here, this should change to remove. There, remove. Good. See there? Add, remove, add, remove, add, add. How about add this guy? See there? Oh, it didn't this. Oh, darn. What's going on? How come? It should add bam, 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 bam in here. Okay, well, let's take a look. Let's take a look. It should be in the account. Get my roles right here. At the top, get role right here. Why? Why? Oh, I know why. I know why. Just looking at this logic, I already know why. Alright. So these are common mistakes, which is fine. Alright. So anytime we say, hey, there is something in there, I just list this guy. Well, you only list the first item. What happened to the next one, right? So this is what you do. You say, so if there is something in there, all right, I want to move first. And then I want to say do while not rs in the file. And then end if. You see there? You see there? That's the reason why. Now, once you do loop, the first thing that you need to do is move next. This is the problem here. If you don't do that, you're going to be spinning and spinning and spinning and wasting your, resources. Alright? Alright, let's control S. I bet you it's going to do the right thing now. Let me double check. Move first, move next. Okay, good. Alright, let's try again. Let's double click. Bam, bam. Ooh, hold on. Hold your horses. Oh. Do you see what happened there? You forgot the loop. You forgot the loop. You gotta be quick. When you do this, you gotta be quick. Alright? If instead of if there, yeah, I accidentally type in if. It should be a loop. All right. It should be a loop, not end if. My bad. It's my bad. All right, let's go. Bam. Look at that. How about member? Let's add member. Look at that. Oh, what happened to my comma? Wait a minute. You remove my comma. All right. So I know why. See there? You said replace comma. It says anytime you see this comma, you remove it. All right. It says replace with empty. We don't want that. My bad. Okay, my bad. What we want to do here is go ahead and remove this guy. Yeah. What we really want here, because this is on the bar and on the end. All right, let me show you. All right, so the real last one, let's double check, because this is the thing that you need to understand. See how it adds this comma at the end here. I mentioned this in the last video. All right, that's easy to get rid of. By the way, I mentioned that we were monkeying around. Well, how do we want this? We want it in front or back? That's how. But let's check this out. We know it's on the very end by trimming this guy. I'm going to copy that trim right here. Copy that. But what we want here is we want this string beginning from the first character. I want that string less one character. That's what it was. You see that? Starting from the first character all the way to the last. Add -1. That's what it says right here. All right, let's check this out. Now you see this comma right here at the end. Let's double click on this guy again. It's gone. You see there? That's easy. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, let's remove that guy. We don't want that guy. Now normally, if you are administrator, you don't want to add manager and member to the role. All right. So now if you were in here, ooh, what's going on here? Row exists. Yeah, let me see. So yeah, that's funky there. We don't want that. When we click on that guy say row exists by row ID. Well, we click on this guy. Let's see what's going on here. Row exists by ID right here. So let's take a look at this guy. What's going on? Double click. Bam, bam. It never got in there. Huh. Invalid procedure call or argument. Hold on. Hold your horses. It never got in here. Row exists by ID. Oh, it's probably this guy. It's probably that guy. So let me deselect this guy. That's what happened when you don't forget to put in the error correctly there. So I'm gonna copy that and put it in here. I bet you this is what it was. So let's get in here. Let me see. Let's take a look. Let's take a look right here. I think that's what it was. Let's double check. Yep. So it's 0. Oh, got you. So there you go. That's a problem right here. Okay. So we did the wrong place here. All right. So what it says, hey, there's nothing here to do anything here. All right. See there? Because if it's nothing, it's going to jump to here. All right. I'm going to show you. Let's control F. Actually F8. See how it jumps right here? And now this guy is empty. Well, you cannot throw in any empty string. It's looking for that first character, and it doesn't see that first character. What you really want to do here, these are the things that you need to be debugging. Hey, did your logic do the right? I'm going to remove that guy and stop this. Reset and come in here. You see here? and do it right there. All right. I bet you it's not gonna bark again. So that's when you need to, programmers that do things like this on a daily basis. Double click, bam, bam. There you go, no problem. So that's just knowing what's going on. All right. So you can click there, it won't work, it won't bark. All right. So we're gonna add this guy. Let's add member for this guy. There. Good. Let's go over here. That's admin. All right. I think John Doe is a manager. Let's add manager. See there? There. All right. So that's dandy. That's pretty quick. That is quick. All right. Well, yeah, that's just too quick. You know what? I'm going to make this video just a tad longer. All right. What I really want to do here. Now you know how to implement this way. You can do this to your application similarly to this operations here. All right. So similar to this operation, see how it changed to add, remove, add. So anytime it doesn't see it's in here, you're just going to say add. That's nifty. Now, what I really want to do, let me show you what I really want to do. Let's get a little fancy. Check this out. Let's go to here. You see how this got two boxes? These are the list boxes, the way we have it there. But what happened here if we do this? It jumps over, right? What if there? I bet you we can do this, similar to this. Let's get a little fancy with this, all right? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to implement that, all right? So let's close that out. Let's go to the form. I'm going to show you how to be a little fancy, all right? I'm going to move this burger out here and move this little burger up. And right. It's right there. It's good right now. And make that guy smaller. What do you call this one? Hey, let's change his name right here. All right, let's change his name to RowList. RowList. That's what we want. RowList. All right. So before we forget, let's go back to the code behind. Change the row name to RowList, so that we don't get barking. So it doesn't bark at us. This is form. Let's go to right here. This should be RowList. All right, and then change his name. List there. I'm gonna copy that. Put it right there. Right there. I think that's good enough. I think that's everybody. All right, let's get back here. Hold on. Let's compile this. Make sure it doesn't bark. Oh, just see there. There. See there. That's what I thought. So I'm going to copy that, put it here for now. Eventually this guy's going to be gone, okay? Eventually this guy's going to be gone. We're going to do something else. But right now, just follow along. You're going to be impressed. And you're going to learn a whole lot of. Oh, by the way, did I mention to you that I don't charge? You don't have to buy anything from me, all right? All right. Unlike other videos that say, hey, if you don't want to learn this, come to my website and register for the course. Oh, by the way, this course is $50. Oh, that course is $100. And you can have all access to this. No, I don't do that. All right. I think that's individuals. All right. So, but it doesn't mean that I don't accept donation. It does not mean that I don't accept donation. I'm gonna copy that. Okay. See how I got that thing selected? I'm gonna hit control button, and then select this guy, and right click, say size, narrowest. You see there? Yeah, like I said, that doesn't mean I don't accept a donation, but that's up to you. If you think that my video is good, to receive some donation, as a appreciation, I appreciate it. Like Ryan, like other ones that send me the donation, I truly appreciate that. You guys are you guys are awesome. I mean, that's, that is called showing appreciation. I'm right here. I'm gonna say available, just like the guy said. All right, and here is, oh, oh man, I don't like that. Anyways, here we'll say, uh, I'm gonna I'm gonna say my, and then I'm gonna go right there, parentheses there. I don't like that, but it's way. That's all right. Don't worry about it. If you don't like it, you just move it to the front right here. I'm going to show you. Yeah, it's I mean, that's how I see it. If you want to, size widest. If you want to, I provide a video. This is real technical, by the way. This is a high level widest. This is high level coding. All right, and you will find this. You won't find this anyway on this YouTube thing. Well, maybe one or two, but they don't go into too deep the way I did show you. This is advanced coding in object programming. All right. I think that looks good. What do you think? All right. So we got row list right here. I'm going to call this list my row list. See there? You see there? Do you see what I see? All right. So now, how are we going to load this guy up? Huh? Well, good question. How are you going to do that? All right. How are you going to do that? Let's go back inside. Code behind. Let's just pick out one of these guys. Well, you know what? That button will no longer be there. All right. That button will no longer be there because we're going to be using this list clicking here. You see, list clicking here. So I'm thinking I'm just going to do this. List rows. All right, and this list rows here. Take all that booger out. We're not gonna need that. Let's go to this access row DB access. At the real beginning up here, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not telling what I'm gonna do. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna copy this guy and then change this guy to sub, and then change this guy to get available row. And then here's a fancy way. I am going to add bar ref control. I'm just calling list as control, like so, and then get rid of this return value here. All right, I'll go ahead and change this guy. We don't need this guy. This is going to be very easy. We don't need all bunch of this crap stuff. We got a list here, and we want to be, we want available list. So this is how you do it. You know it's a list, right? It's a list control. All you do is say control list row source. You see there? And then here, check this out. Before I modify this, let me show you something. Before I modify that, if you select one of these guys, they're all similar. All right. And if you look at the real top here, it says column count, 2 columns, right? And then if you go down, look at this query. I'm gonna do that and copy this booger. I'm gonna copy that booger copy, cancel, and I'm gonna replace it right yonder, actually right there. You see there? And I'm gonna remove this order bar, just like that. All right. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna be a little fancy. It's gonna get too long, and I'm gonna do that. You see there? And here I can say order by row name. All right. Now, this is not right. This is not right because this should be account ID. You see, and there's no such a thing as account ID in this access row. All right. What we really want here, look, check this out. Look, check this out. Getting a little fancy now. Getting a little fancy now. Let me drink a coffee here. Have I ever told you coffee is good for you? That rhymes. So this is where you need to learn the SQL statement. All right. Yeah, that's my baby, by the way. SQL Server. So here I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Oops. Oh, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take all that out. Just follow along. You know why. Right here, I'm just going to say, this is available, not in. Not in. Take that out. Take that out. Like so. Well, not in. That's weird. Right, but right in here, this is where you want to retrieve your stuff. All right. So here you can say select access row ID from account row where account, I'm getting a little faster now, account ID equals, you see there, equals S account ID. Look at that. Look at that. You see there? Do you see what I see? That looks good. So basically, we want to go into this access row here, all the rows. All right, currently there are 3 of them. And we'll say, hey, I want to get all the rows where this row ID does not exist in this account ID or in this access account row ID. And that's all it is. That's all it is. Now let's do the next one. I'm going to copy that. It's similar. All right. It's oops. Oh, my pinky hit the page down button. So now we say get my rows. You see there? And here we're going to change from it not in to in. How simple is that? How simple is that? Let's close this file down. Now list row. Now we can call access row db access get. Ooh, what happened? What was it? Should be in there. Yeah. Let's try that. Try again. Call access row db access. That's better. Get available row, and here we say me list row list, and then my account ID, and then call access row db access. Oops, one too many. Where? There. Get my row list my row list me. Isn't that cool? That's awesome. Just like that. And now I'm going to copy this guy. Let's go to display. Display. Where's the display? Oh, right here. All right. Now instead of doing all this, I'll go ahead and comment that out. We'll delete later, and we'll say call like so. I think that's the simple. I think. Let's take a look. Is that gonna work? If that works, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. All right. So let's close this out and double click. Bam, bam. Click. Look at that. And neat. And look at that. How about this guy? Oh yeah, we add those guys. See how this guy's got manager? Remember how we did it? That's easy. That's simple. Now the question is, what happens if you click here, right? And what happens if you click here, right? Ding, ding, ding. All right, let's do that. Let's do that. That's yeah. I'll go ahead and remove this since that button is no longer needed. We can also delete this guy and remove that. And I'm going to go back in here and remove this guy since that guy no longer exists. Now, right here, go to event. We've got an event right here. See there? And we don't have this add button no more. All right. Oh, this is RowList. That means we add. All right. That means we add. When we click on this guy, we can say, let me show you what we can say here. Account. Call account db access add row. See there? Me txt account and row me Alice. This would be RowList. That's it. That's it. Once you've done this, you come down here, you say call list my row again, list rows, so that you just get a new stuff. That's all it is. That is all it is, I think. Now this guy is hold on, my row list. Oh, that's easy. Let's go back in here. I'm just going to copy this guy. Copy, go above it. All right, go above it, and then just add my in front. And here you say remove. That's all. And then relist again. That's pretty simple. All right. Uh, and you know what? Let's get a little fancy. Let's, let's, I'm gonna remove that label now. We don't need that. We're gonna, because we got fancier, you know? We got fancy. I'm gonna move this booger way up there. All right. Let's dress this guy nicely. We're gonna make this default to the same width there. And because this guy's gonna stretch down, we're gonna stretch this guy down the same way. All right. Let me see if that guy is still stretching down. Yep. Yep. Now we can do this. Control S. Close. I bet you it's gonna work now. We'll see, won't we? Oh, right here. Right here. That something's not right there. We don't want to list anybody here. We don't want to list anybody there. All right. So to do that, let me show you how to default this. Let me show you how to default this. This is easy. This on the open right here. Form account on open. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We are going to say account ID equals nothing. And then we'll say call list row. Close. Let's see if that does what I wanted to do. Bing, bing. Ah, nice. You see there? Nice. But you cannot click on this guy. Watch. See there? Oh, okay. What's going on? Oh, yeah. Okay. So now, yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's stop that. So now that prompts us to validate if not is no. See there? And not is no. I actually just do one. That's good. Yeah, that's fine. If not is no, that just one is good. All right, and do that guy. And if now I don't understand why, because we already set that guy right there as AA. I don't know why it says no, but regardless, I think they will fix it. Good. See that? Good. It doesn't bark at us now. Good. All right. How about if we click on this guy? Look at that. How about nice, nice. Okay. Let's add let's add this guy. Let's see if that guy goes over there. How about it? See if this guy comes back. Look at that. Nice. How cool is that? You can take that to the shop. Look at that. Wait a minute. It didn't remove. What the heck? Huh. Huh. Okay. Okay. There's something's not right. So that when you click that, it should come over there. Hold on. Let's fix this guy. Let's fix this guy. Let's make this guy a double click. Let's make this guy a double click. Perfect. perfect right there. And I'm going to copy that there, and then I'm going to copy this guy. Oops. Let's see how and this will be my right up to there. You see there? And then I'm going to remove this booger. Okay. Yeah, this should be remove, this should be add. Let's try that. Let's see if that helps. Yep, that should be double click. Okay, let's see if that helps. Something's not right there. Click, good. Add, good. Double click, good. Double click, good. Double click, good. Double click. Huh. Something without count. Let's try this guy. Let's double click, good. 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 Double click, good. Okay, let's check this out. What's going on? So this should be in my row list. We want to find out what's going on with this guy. Oops. 3. So when all else fails, let me show you what I do. My list, column, 0. Remember we did this earlier? We want to find out what's going on here. Alright. We want to see the ID. Why ID is not working. So ID is 1, which is good. 2. But it doesn't go in there. So this is good. This guy is good. Oh, duh. We made a copy of this guy. You see that? Let's do that. I see what's going on there. We're passing in this guy. You see that? Ah, no wonder. You see that? RowList instead of my RowList. That's why. All right. Well, that's all there is to it. We made a copy of this guy, but we never changed this guy. I bet you it's good now. Let's try that now. Double click, bam bam. That's what it was. There you go. There you go. This guy was supposed to be just the manager, and this guy was just supposed to be member, and this guy was supposed to be admin. How cool is that? There you have it. Like I said, when you learn my course, I don't charge, but it doesn't mean that I don't accept a donation. I really appreciate those guys, those of you who are sending me a donation. Every bit helps it keeps my energy going. To know that you guys truly appreciate my work. All right, I thank you very much. But there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. These are perfect right there. All right. So that's how you do things. That's all good right there. All right. The next video, we're going to continue. All right. We're going to make this thing work so that you can use it at home. All right. Now, as far as decoration, that's up to you how you want to decorate this. But the code is there. If you want to learn, follow along. And don't forget, your subscription is real important. All right. So there you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.